Now the next steps of next construction I am going to show you. For this, first write down the example. Draw a tangent to the circle for the given point which is 7.5 centimeter from center and radius of circle is 2.1 centimeter. In this construction, our given point is outside the circle, which is not lie on the circle. Previous two construction, the point is lie on the circle. In this construction, the point is outside the circle. So now let's follow the steps of construction. First, draw the circle of given radius, that is 2.1 centimeter. Give center name O and draw the radius 2.1 centimeter like this. Now with the help of scale, measure distance 7.5 centimeter from O and locate the point. Locate the point outside the circle, say point P, which is 7.5 centimeter from center of circle. So OP distance is 7.5 centimeter. Now in this construction, our point P is outside the circle. So for that, we required a midpoint of this OP so that we can draw the tangent to the circle. So for that midpoint, take more than half distance of OP in your compass. Put the compass pointer on P. I am repeating once again. Take more than half distance of OP in your compass. Put the compass pointer on P and draw the arc on both sides up and down like this to the circle. Do not change the distance. Again put the compass pointer on O. Draw the intersection arc like this and pass the line from intersection. Pass the line from intersection which intersect the seg OP at this point. Let's give the point name M. So M is the midpoint of OP. Take the distance OM in compass. Take the distance OM in compass, that is the radius for the next circle. Put the compass pointer on M and either draw only arcs like this, or also you can draw a circle also like this. If you don't want to draw the circle, you can just draw the arc like this too, so that arcs intersect the previous circle in two different points. Let's give that point A and B. So circle, the radius OM intersect the circle in point A and B. Now join AP and BP like this. Join AP and BP. AP and BP, they are the tangent segment from point P. So in this way, we can construct the tangent to the circle when the point is given outside the circle. In this construction, we are having at a time two tangents to the circle for the given point, external point. So we can draw two tangents from the point when it is given outside.